What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jerome Powell has ascended from the Fed Tower. He's decided to have a conversation with the Senate today. Today is Tuesday, March the 7th, I think. And tomorrow he will be talking with the House of Representatives. It was very, very important to pay attention to his many things that he said to Congress today. However, in crypto, we definitely wanted to hear if he said anything about us. So today's video, we're going to be covering what he said about crypto, what our thoughts are. So pay attention, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Jay Seals, take us away, man.
All right. So Jerome Powell has been watching us. He's been watching us like Santa Claus watches all the good boys and girls before he gives them toys. But instead, he's watching the crypto space and he's been watching us hurt. And it's been a struggle here in crypto. So let's get into what he talked about. So Jerome recently spoke on various things on Capitol Hill, including inflation, interest rates, jobs, green energy, debt, and more. However, among the lot, the most interesting topic of them all is cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency realm has been under the radar ever since the fall of Terra and FTX in 2022. Don't know about that, but okay. The slew of events that followed the dramatic fallout have also grabbed the attention of regulators around the world. In a recent speech, Powell also spoke about cryptocurrency and how the Fed is watching the cryptocurrency space. In a question about how the Fed is evaluating the risk of cryptocurrencies, Powell stated that the Fed has been quite active in the area. He's also stressed that innovation is crucial for the economy and that they don't want it to, or they don't want to stifle it. So this is a good thing, right? They don't want to hurt crypto and they see it as being innovative. But here's the exact quote. He said, "But like everyone else, we have been watching the crypto space and we want to, and what we see is, quite a lot of turmoil." Powell also highlighted that they see a run risk along with other issues. He stressed the fact that the Fed is ensuring that the financial institutions that they supervise engage with cryptocurrency space and give them prior notice. The speech also comes days after the SEC began its scrutiny of cryptocurrency realm and the recent happenings with Silvergate Bank alongside numerous other events, which is why it's kind of weird that at the beginning they said that cryptocurrency has been quiet because it's been nothing but loud lately, especially with the SECs on everybody's behind. But Hobbs, what do you think?
All I can say is, finally, every single time we get to the Fed, the SEC, Congress, guess what the consistent thing that they end up either mentioning or sometimes the full-blown topic? It's crypto. Why? Because it's on everybody's mouth. And if it's on the mouth of the man that controls the money, it's only a matter of time. Yes, he said, oh, we see a lot of turmoil, but that just means that we're paying attention and we're going to fix the turmoil and then we can put our money there. The only thing this tells me is it's just another step, right? This meant nothing for the short term. This just tells me that in the long term of the government or regulatory aspect of it, at some point crypto is gonna have to be had as far as a conversation at that level. And I think him even mentioning it or them even asking the question just proves that point. So what you got?
Yeah, I mean, they got a lot of banks that they supervise, right? So him saying that they basically want to accept crypto, they just got to make sure that they do it right? And they don't want all the scamminess. They're looking at all the flight risk people. And I think at some point we'll see kind of a partnership, quote unquote, under the table between the SEC and the Fed to kind of get everything regulated, because at the end of the day, the Fed's just going to have to be involved because at least from a centralization side of things, right? Not the DeFi side, but CeFi side, there has to be something there has to be some way to store that, and the banks are going to be the way that they do it.
Yeah, and like you said, they're going to be the regulatory, or at least one of the regulatory entities of those banks. So is it on their mind? Yeah, and that's all we really need for now. Once we get crypto regulated, banks are going to start to get involved, and that's when it's going to be time to fly. So you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come on over back to Clear Cryptos. Check out myself and Jay Seals and all of the other content creators in the Clear Cryptos atmosphere. That being said, my name is T. Hobbs. Man above is Jay Seals. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.